So multiplying two complex numbers together, well, there's two ways we can do it. We can multiply in polar form and we can multiply in rectangular form. And so both have their place. First of all, to multiply these as they are directly, this is probably what I do, because every time I convert, think back to that last problem we did, we had to convert to rectangular, do the addition, and convert back to polar, and at each stage there's a little rounding going on in the calculator. So if you can do it directly, it gives you a more exact answer, is one way of thinking about it. So I can multiply these out directly. I literally multiply out the brackets. And like any of these situations, I just multiply every term in one bracket by every term in the other bracket. So 4 times 3 is 12, so I do this one first, then this one, and then this one, and then this one. That's the way I tend to do it. So 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times minus 2j is minus 8j. 3j times 3 is 9j. 3j times minus 2j is minus 6j squared. So I just multiply every term in one bracket by the other bracket. And then I collect together like terms. There's only one number, 12, but there's two j numbers. So minus j plus 9j is plus j. And now I think about this bit. Remember, j squared is minus 1. And so I can replace j squared in here with minus 1. And minus 1 times minus 6 is plus 6. So I can actually write plus 6 here. Because j squared is minus 1, I effectively multiply whatever number this is, in this case it was minus 6, by minus 1. That makes it positive. If this had been positive 6, positive 6 times minus 1 would be negative. And effectively, the effect of getting rid of the j squared means always that you just change the sign of this number. If it was minus 6, it becomes plus 6. If it was plus 6, it becomes minus 6, and so on. So you just get rid of the j squared and change the sign. Now I have two numbers, and I can collect them together. 12 plus 6 is 18, plus j. So I have an answer. A complex number with a real part and an imaginary part. I've multiplied those two complex numbers together by multiplying out the brackets and recognizing that j squared is minus 1.